Hey guys, I wish all of you are doing well. Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson, we're going to study how to make a beautiful and wonderful ID card. So this is what we're going to make. First of all, create a new blank page. Go to Layout and Size, More Paper Size. In here we will say our width should be 2.5 inch and the height should be 3.78, or you can say 4. So this is how our page going to be look like. The next step is to go to insert and shape option, click this shape. So the next step is we're going to insert, we'll go into shape, press this shape, and let's draw it. This is how our shape going to be, and let me make it a little bit larger. So this is how it looks. We will go into shape outline. Before that, we will choose the color. The color should be like this. Then go to insert and shape option. Again, click that shape. This time we will make it like this. And this time we will choose this color. As you can see, the outline is black, so let's delete the outline, go to more option. This is the outline you will choose, no color. So this is how it looks now. Press Ctrl D in order to duplicate this shape, and let's make it a little bit larger. This is how it looks. Again, go to insert and shape. We will choose that shape again by clicking this. It will be a pair. So let's arrange it and make it more beautiful. Let's arrange the shape. Yeah, this looks good actually. The next option, we're going to go to insert option and shape, but this time you will have text box. In text box, we will write your name. And here we're going to write our name. And we don't want the outline actually, so we're going to say the outline should be no color, and let's say this name's color should be blue, a little bit larger. Yeah, we can do this also. We can make it in half, and let's see if we correct it or not. So guys, as you can see, we're actually good and we are doing great, but as you can see, this shape size is bigger than this, so let's make it bigger. So let's, as you can see in here, our font is different. Let's choose this font, go to font style and click this font. Let's make our text a little bit bigger and and size. Yeah, this is how it looks now. As you can see, the background is white and it doesn't look good, see? So let's make this background transparent. Go to text box. Outline. More option. And here we have transparency. Make it to 100% in order to make it transparent. As you can see now, this text is transparent. The background. The next option, let's have this straight bar, straight line. We will choose this. We'll come here, and this is how easy we can make the bar. And in here we have this text, which is your position. We will select this text box. We will duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. In here we will write your position. And let's make it smaller. And let's have this position and make it bold. Yeah, this one looks good. Next we have ID, deadline of the job, and phone number, and also email. Again, we go to insert, we go to shape, we will have our text box. We will make it transparent, and the outline should be no color too. We will write ID, deadline of the job, phone, email. As you can see, there is a lot of space. Select all the text, go to home section. In here we have a spacing. Remove the space and it will look like this. And let's make this blue. As you can see now, it's blue and bold too. This is how it looks. Let's make this part. Ctrl D this section, put it in here, delete all of these, make it wider a little bit, use this column. So in our ID you have to write your ID. Deadline of the job, you must have month, day, and year. In phone, you must have a phone number, actually. In email, you have to write your email. Ctrl A, select all. We don't want to make them bold, and the color should be in black. Yeah, and a little bit in the top. So we're almost done, and only 2 or 3 things are remain with the last part is this. Let's select one of these and duplicate them and make them a little bit smaller in size and put them in the bottom. Yeah, adjust them. See, now it looks cool. The next part is about adding the picture. You want to fill it so good, and in order to do that, click in the shape, go to shape format, go to filling shape, and select picture. We have our picture in the PC. We will work offline. This is the picture. When you press the picture, it will come in here. If you want, you can have this black border, but I want this to be an white color. So we will go here and select the color. As you can see, it looks good. And the last part, which is the logo part, you have to add your logo in here. And by doing that, we will duplicate this text box. We will write logo. We'll make its color and white, and let's move it in here. As you can see, we have a little bit more space in here. Let's make it sharp and adjust it. Yeah, now it looks cool actually. Okay guys, I wish you learned this lesson. This is how you can make a beautiful and wonderful ID card less than 10 minutes. I wish you like it. For right now, bye bye.